I was mistaken about the Galaxy Z Fold 6, so why did it attract my attention? When I first saw the cover display on the Z Fold 6, I immediately thought Samsung had made the same mistake they had with the previous Galaxy Foldables, which was to create a taller cover display similar to its predecessor. However, after looking into more detail, I discovered some interesting things that ultimately caused me to change my opinion of the Z Fold 6. Although it isn't wider, the cover display has been altered. The obtrusive side bezel was removed, primarily because it was causing the hinge to break. Now that this is fixed, the Z Fold 6 has symmetrical bezels, making the C4 the first Galaxy Foldable to do so. What's even more interesting is that this makes it one of the best-looking foldable phones available because of its angular design and flat cover display with equal sides. The Z Fold 6 has several nice design elements that I thought were visually appealing, including how the size even makes it seem more premium since it is now flat and provides you with a better grip. When we start using the inner display, we hardly notice the crease at all, and since this is an affordable phone, the crease must be there. However, the hinge design structure can increase or decrease visibility, which is why the OnePlus Open crease is better. If you're coming from any other older foldable phone, I mean the Galaxy Foldable, you'll notice right away that the weight has been significantly reduced. Though most people complain about the crease on Fold 6, I'm perfectly fine with it. Choosing the Galaxy Foldable was motivated not only by availability but also by the software's optimization for the Z Fold 6 and the lack of problems, despite one user sharing his experience with the OnePlus Open in which he encountered several app opening and crashing issues. This is not the best camera system we have on a $2,000 phone. If you want one, the S24 Ultra is still a better option for phone. We have the same 50 megapixels main shooter, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixels telephoto sensor. The one wish I had when I saw the phone was that Samsung updated these cameras interesting enough, but only the design, not the internals. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.